These are the main elevators at Sennott Sq, University of Pittsburgh, Oakland, Pennsylvania. AdazElevatorz. Yeah, these are similar attractions from 2001. It'll go, it's just on that peak. Is 6 gonna light up on the indicator? Let's find out. Nope, they still haven't fixed it. 6 still doesn't light up. Man, Pitt really does not care about their MTs. Send it back down to 1. ADA phone certificate. Is shooting, yeah, 2001.
Schindler elevator.
Yeah. AdazElevatorz.
4,000 pound capacity.
ID is the same as Peterson.
Sort of found.
Yeah, on the panel.
Certificate.
2001.
Some of this hard thing.
Yeah, because this one, it just goes. I wonder which one's going to go on the up peak now. But this one's not going to go on the up peak.